rest my feelings, start my mind.
I was there with man like Richard King himself. Some of the performance we know too love lost, but there's a lot to learn, and them say if you learn you never really lose, but some of the performance for me in a year words.
Well, I think the boys give a good account of themselves. You know, it was a good team performance. It's just that unfortunately you can't see 2 goals. I think could have been prevented, but you know, such is football.
Yeah. And how was the overall experience? I think that this Inter Miami team will be looking at Cavaliers differently going into the second leg. You think that you guys laid out your game plan and left them with a lot to think about?
Well, each game, you know, you come to play, you're gonna do what the coaching staff said, you know, what you train. So yeah, we're here to compete, you know, we're not just here to just be here, so
yeah, definitely. And tell the Jamaican people them what them can expect in a second leg. Tell them to come out of them yard and come support, because you're gonna need the crowd as a 12-man, 110%, right?
yeah, definitely. We're gonna need the support, you know, but we all know the Jamaicans. Not sure if who they want to see is gonna be there, but we're asking for the support nonetheless, you know. Yeah.
And definitely, you think the tie is still in the balance that Cavaliers can go through? You think it's still there for us to us, because we are Jamaican, one Jamaican and one Cavaliers, but go through?
It's never over until it's over, you know?
Definitely. Pree TV, and we're there with man like Gio Leng himself. What a performance, bro, but tough luck. Just sum up the match for me, Gio Leng. How do you think the team performance it was, and what to expect going into the second leg?
Well, personally and for the team, it was a great fight, great fight. You know, many thought that it would be a flushing, but to come out first 45 minutes, it kept a clean sheet. You know, it was unfortunate that we conceded 2 goals. Put my hands up for a missed read of the ball, but it's a part of the game. We had an excellent game all around. We fought, we fight, and this is still a positive result going back in Jamaica, because 2 goals is not much of a thing for an attacking unit like us to find in Jamaica. So our heads are up and we are confident that we can overturn the score in Jamaica.
Yeah, most definitely. And tell me now about the nerves. Were there first nerves, and how quick it was to shake off nerves, if there were any nerves at all?
Really, no, not for me personally. I don't think the guys are nervous at all, because as you say, we've been here before. We played last year, we get some experience and we know what to expect. Most of us are represent the national team. We have Richard, John Morrow, Izzy, and can go on, but there wasn't any nerves, and there definitely won't be any nerves back in the office. So we take this result and go home smiling, I would guess, but come out to the national stadium, we are going to put on a show. That's I know for sure.
Definitely. And we're looking at the stats, your personal individual stats. 5 out of 5 ground duels. Like you have somebody in your back pocket shake him up. But personally, how you feel about your individual game?
Personally, I think I had a solid performance. I mean, one mistake can cause, that's football, the tough luck in football. One miss up and something else. But personally, I think I played well, and going back to, I'm just focusing on going back to Jamaica to overturn this result.
Pree TV, I'm there with man like Adrian Reid Jr. and Shaquille Stein himself. Can just round up the performance for me, please, and the experience, what it's like. Adrian Reid, you can start.
Yeah, it's a good experience, you know, coming out of Jamaica and, you know, showcase the talent in front of the Caribbean, in front of the US, you know, people all around the world. So, and the team, you know, we know the quality of Inter Miami. So, good experience for the team and the individual. So, it was a good feeling.
And Shaquille, how was your experience?
Yeah, that's a good experience, but at the end, I'm very disappointed. Yeah, because we get a goal, and yeah, gonna give us the goal. So I'm very disappointed about the game.
Yeah, and it was a well taken goal, I must add. but the game is a game, and you guys just have to pick yourself up and go again. Talk to me about the second half. What was it like in the second half? Was it a bit tougher? The condition? What was it? What was it like?
It was definitely a bit tougher, you know, some fatigue settling in. Lose a little bit of focus, you know, kind of slow down. But we try to keep compact, you know, keep together and defend as best as we can. I think we achieved that in a way, just to stay focused a little longer, you know, to the end of the game, and we're supposed to do that.
Okay, and talk to her about the second leg coming up. Tell the people them to come out, and that we can expect. What we can expect? Do you think that the tie is still there for us? I'll say us because we're all Cavaliers, Jamaica, to go through. You think it's still there for us to go through? Talk to me.
Yeah, of course, man. Of course. Yeah, I believe and stay focused for the second leg. So we got this, man.
Okay, so people near that come full up stadium. You don't know that was Adrian Real Jr. and Shaquille Stan. Big up on yourself and all the best. Okay.
Yeah, man, bless you.
Bless you.
Express my feelings, start my mind.